everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Thank you for joining us and thank you for coming to our quilting window. We're working on a mystery quilt right now and it is so much fun. This is our second week. Go to our website at Laundry Basket Quilts, visit our blog for all the informations. We're having the best time ever. We're working on our block number 9. Block number 9, and you know this block already. It is beautiful. We're going to be using 3 fabrics. We have 2 lights and 1 dark, and we're going to be cutting strips from those fabrics. Before I start cutting, I'm going to use the best press, and in case you wonder, the fabrics are from our Bluebird collection that is available on our website. I'm going to be cutting for 16 blocks. We need 16 blocks, so I'm going to do 2 strips in dark blue, 3.5 inches by 20 inches. I'm gonna do 4 strips, two more strips in this light, 3.5 by 20, so 2 and 2, and 4 strips in this beautiful fabrics with the low flowers. Ready, set, go. Now I want to bring something to your attention. Did you notice this fabric? We use this fabric in our block 8. In case you do not have enough fabric to cut today's block, guess what? You have an extra fat quarter in your bundle that is this color. Use this fabric instead. So you can use this fabric. I think you're gonna have plenty, but just in case right now we are down to the leftovers of our bundle. So use whatever you have. You just need a dark and 2 lights. Perfect. So once we have our strips cut, you know the routine. I'm going to layer my strips one on the top of the other. I have 2 of the light one, then I have one of the light ones, so that's 3. And oh, I was a little frazzled because I thought I lost a strip. And then I have my dark one. So I usually layer 4 strips, one on the top of the other. 4 strips. Out of the cutting, I'm going to get 4 pieces. All the pieces that I'm gonna get is for 1 block, and we're gonna be making 16 of those blocks. So I'm gonna make 2 strip sets like this to cut. From each strip set, I will cut 8 blocks for a total of 16 blocks. And you know the routine. You're gonna either grab a ruler, match it up beautifully, 3.5, cut it, flip it, cut it, back and forth, so you get cute little stacks like this. This is the pieces that we're cutting. Or you can go ahead and use our beautiful acrylic templates and cut with the templates if you would like to. Let me see if I can pull the right template for us right now, because we're gonna need it not only for cutting, but we like to have these templates also for marking our sewing points and just where we're supposed to sew. So it's really helpful. All right, so once you have your pieces cut, now you're gonna go ahead and line the pieces in the right positions, so that way we can make our beautiful block. And this is how your block looks. You have the 2 lights, 1 dark and 1 light right here. And you're gonna start by placing the light and a dark right sides together. You're gonna center it up really nice, match exactly, sew it with 1/4 inch seam allowance. As soon as you finish sewing, let me show you. I have one of the pieces prepared right here. As soon as you finish sewing, you're gonna go ahead and open the seam in the back. Open the seam, and you can either finger press or use your little tool for this. This is gonna be wonderful. As soon as you finish that, you're gonna go ahead and match one side, pin it, sew it, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Look at, I have it started right here. So one side I have it sewn. I'm gonna flip this seam, open it up all the way, finger press, seam allowance is going towards the outside. If you wanna, you can open that seam. I pushed it one direction because it really gave me nice point right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead, match this side, sew it, and flip it open. As soon as you finish, Look at this. You have beautiful block, seam open, the two seams to the left and the right. Keep going, because guess what? You have quite a few of them to make, 16 of them. As soon as you finish, you are ready, set, go. Tomorrow we're gonna do another block number 10, and I'm super excited for you. You are getting really good in this. I'm proud of you. So keep going. We're gonna have a beautiful quilt. And did you notice on our blog how the area are filling up and you getting this beautiful a pie wedge to our beautiful block that we're going to later on put all together. I am just so excited for you. So happy quilting, and thank you for stopping by and joining us for our mystery quilt. If you're just starting, you're not too late. It's never too late to start having fun and quilt with us. So happy quilting and enjoy your day.